Hey everyone, learn how to remove saved Wi-Fi network in any Android phone. So if you have connected to many Wi-Fi connections and you want to remove it, it is very easy. We need to go to the settings first and then either look for network and internet or connections. So we have found the connections and it also has the Wi-Fi icon. By any chance, if you do not find it, simply search Wi-Fi and you will find Wi-Fi under connections. We will click on that and then you will again find Wi-Fi. We need to click on that again and you will find your network's current network and available network. Now, to come to this place, we can also do it like this. You need to scroll down from top and where you see your Wi-Fi icon, just press and hold and you will get this. We need to go to details and you will get to the same page. Now here, if you have connected to any internet, simply go to settings and then just need to click on forget and that will be removed. And whatever the available network, if you know any familiar network which you had already connected and saved, let's see, I have connected to this network and it also has the saved Wi-Fi. So I'll click on settings and I'll simply click on forget. Right. So you can do it one by one and we just need to forget it. Once you click on forget, you will be able to remove saved Wi-Fi networks. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.